Hello everyone, I'm Nima and I'm going to briefly explain our ProfitMaker service and show you how to set it up. ProfitMaker allows TradeWMaya's professional team to trade for you. ProfitMaker's unique feature is that the trades will be done by a professional team without any access to your capital in a highly secured condition. This service is suitable for amateur traders, people who don't have enough time for trading or prefer trading done by our professional team in order to increase their capital. After going on MPlaceMeta's website at MPlaceMeta.at, you'll see the TradeWMaya option. Go ahead and click on the option. Scroll a little down and you'll see ProfitMaker. Here, you can read the terms of cooperation, and then here's the cooperation form. You'll need to obviously fill in your name, last name, email address, phone, and etc. And here are where you would put your API key and secret key, which I talked about in this video. So that's it, as easy as that. After reading the terms of cooperation and filling the cooperation form, the ProfitMaker service will be available to you.